APJ landscape is significantly changing for good, and we see adoptions across AI, across PC refresh cycles, across data centers, cybersecurity, and multi-cloud. So the opportunity is enormous, and every segment, every category which we talk about in the overall TAM is growing. So we continue based on the foundation. So India has always been growing. The plan is to see where we can accelerate faster. Like I mentioned, the same adoption from an AI perspective when we talk about the workloads, we talk about specific verticals, data center modernization and consolidation, cloud repatriation, cybersecurity, which is now real and more sophisticated. So we are enabling our partners to go deeper in these businesses or opportunities and enable our end customers. So we are ensuring that there is proper training, incentives, partner portals. In fact, we've spent the last 18 months to ensure that our partner experience and is better. We've invested in significant improvement in incentives where we want to ensure that our partners are profitable, and more importantly, from a competency perspective, whether it is AI or any other solutions that are required, they can access our executive briefing centers, innovation labs, and also the Dell Technology partner programs, where it enables everything from training to incentives in one portal. So when you look at this landscape, so it's still getting to a level where AI earlier was primarily a tool. Now it's gone to the next level of decision making and specifically predictive analytics. Second is, earlier it was just about automation. Now we're talking about intelligent automation. Next one was about customer experience. Now it's like real customer experience in terms of all the agents that now talk to you directly. So that's the change in the landscape. And AI is not just bringing opportunities, but people are going and looking at use cases. And when you talk about use cases, this becomes very specific to a vertical or an industry. So that kind of deep expertise in terms of understanding the industry is where the partner comes with that knowledge. Dell, along with the partner, gives the partner the entire platform, and the partner then goes and drives the next level of solutioning for the end customers. So there's always an opportunity. We will always say that when you look at market dynamics, new customers emerging, especially the SMB space, enterprise, corporate, government, we go with this fundamental fact that there's always an opportunity to grow in each of these workloads which I spoke earlier. So we ensure that there is enough training, enough resources, there is enough of certification and competencies that the partner has to kind of go deeper into these markets. We also look at coverages. So earlier we would look at a certain tier market, now we go tier 2, tier 3 also. So we look at expansion into these tier markets. And then we also bring products and solutions which cater to these markets. Again, enabling our partners to ensure that our customer get the end-to-end solutions is number one priority. Second is our partners leveraging our Dell Technologies partner program, which is a portal and a tool which right from training to incentive is available. 3 is resourcing our partners in terms of the right resources that are available. Leveraging I mentioned about our labs and EBCs, hands-on experience, experience, tools, resources, making that available. And of course, incentives and benefits, which are a key part. So every time we bring in new businesses or existing businesses, we keep ensuring that there is enough and more rebates and incentives available. I mentioned before, the landscape is always evolving, and we as far as possible, try to stay ahead of the curve. That's the reason you will see us talk about the next gen technology or the new technologies that's emerging. And we ensure that not just our team, but even the partner community has been enabled. And then we encourage our partners to bring in their customers to our EBC, where they can get real-time understanding of what's happening across the world. I don't know whether you want to call it a growth, but this is more of a platform where we build the connect. And this is also a platform where we announce a few changes that we have made. So for example, the partner ecosystem we're talking about is new, and then a lot of people would have heard about it, but what does it mean is what we kind of share. And then we share our own examples where there are some of our partners who are here who go and do the networking. I would not say that a Canalys platform it's more of a networking event. It's also for us to kind of have a direct engagement with some partners whom we would have not met. We have global teams who come here. So we have folks from global who come and talk to our partners to understand if there is anything specific required. So whether it is marketing, whether it is our Dell Technologies partner program, we ensure that we have that communication not just locally but at a global level also. Very critical, keep the curiosity or the hunger to learn more. Get engaged in new tech, especially the AI, in terms of going deeper, understanding the landscape from a hardware perspective, also specifically embedding solutions into verticals, which then brings a better outcome for our end users. So being curious, learn more, we are enabling them, and then especially in the AI world, going deeper. At the same time, also look at the peripheries, which is data center, which is still happening, workspace, where there are customers who look at hybrid workspace and enable them. We spoke about cybersecurity, so that's getting more and more sophisticated. So leverage Dell security solutions so that you are able to provide the solutions to the end customer. Finally, cloud. A whole lot of cloud solutions or cloud computing that's happening, so we enable that too.